Airlines Flight. Welcome to Oklahoma City. Please remain seated for a few moments while we taxi the aircraft to the gate. Once the captain parks there and turns the seatbelt sign off, use caution over your overhead bins as items do tend to shift during flight and could fall out. You don't want to bump on your head, and I don't want this to work, so please make sure you do be careful when you open those overhead bins. If you're continuing on with us on Flight 2707 non-stop service to Las Vegas with continuous service to Sacramento and Ontario, please remain seated. Allow all our local passengers here in Oklahoma City to deplane. Once you have your plane, KC will come to the back and count you as a continuing passenger. Once you have your count, she will make an announcement. That's your only indication that you're free to get up, stretch your legs, and use the lavatory. So please make sure you do wait till you hear her announcement. If you're leaving us here in Oklahoma City, go out, buckle up, be safe, enjoy the weekend ahead. Having spring to you and yours. Make sure you guys can make it soon, thinking really soon. For those of you that may not be aware, we have started operating in and out of our newest city of Atlanta, Georgia. So if you or anyone you know is traveling to the Atlanta, Georgia area anytime soon, please check out Southwest.com. It has been our pleasure serving each and every one of you on board. We do realize that you have many choices when you fly. Not better, but many nonetheless. And we thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Remember, folks, that no one loves you or your money more than we do here at Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Oklahoma City. Also, folks, we are 15 minutes early, just FYI. So next time we're running a little bit late, we'll just call it even.